Hey there, fellow Globetrotters. It's Matt, your friendly neighborhood Americano, back with another electrifying episode of Places to Go. But today, we're not jet setting across continents. Nope, we're diving into the wild, untamed jungles of your living room. That's right, because sometimes the most shocking adventures are right under your nose, or in this case, your electric bill. So you've been vacationing in Europe for a month, and you return home and open your electricity bill and thought, did I accidentally power a small country last month? Yet no one was in your house while you were away. Fear not, let's embark on a journey to uncover the sneaky energy vampires lurking in your home. Meet your fridge. Always cool, never sleeps, and possibly the biggest energy hog in your house, especially if it's older than your favorite pair of travel boots. Consider upgrading to an energy efficient model and remember to clean those coils because even appliances need a spa day. Heating and cooling, essential for comfort, but they can burn through your budget faster than a flash sale on airline tickets. A smart thermostat can help you manage temperatures efficiently. Think of it as your home's personal travel agent planning the perfect climate itinerary. Hot showers and warm drinks are delightful, but your water heater might be working overtime. Set it to 120 degrees Fahrenheit or about 49 degrees Celsius to save energy without sacrificing comfort. It's like choosing the scenic route over the expressway, more enjoyable and cost-effective. Chargers, small, innocent looking, but collectively, they sip electricity even when not in use. Unplug them when they're not charging anything. It's a tiny step that can lead to big savings, kind of like choosing street food over a fancy restaurant. Still using incandescent bulbs? That's so last century. Switch to LEDs. They're brighter, last longer, and use about 90% less energy. It's a bright idea, literally. Your TV might be silently draining power, especially older models. Consider upgrading to an energy-efficient LED TV, and remember to turn it off when not in use. Your wallet will thank you. Laptops and desktops can be energy vampires too. Shut them down or put them to sleep when not in use, and unplug them if you're leaving them at home and going on vacation. It's like giving them a well-deserved layover. Doing laundry? Use cold water and full loads to maximize efficiency. And if possible, air dry your clothes. It's like letting your garments enjoy a breezy vacation. Ovens are great, but they consume a lot of energy. For smaller meals, consider using a toaster oven or a microwave. It's the culinary equivalent of taking a tuk-tuk instead of a tour bus. Some devices draw power even when off, aptly named vampire devices. Unplug them or use smart power strips to cut off their energy supply. It's like checking out of a hotel you weren't staying in. By identifying and managing these energy culprits, you can save money and reduce your carbon footprint, and any of these things you can unplug, turn off, whatever, while you're away on vacation can save your electricity bill a lot. It's a win-win. So until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, sometimes greatest adventures start at home. If you want to know more about things like this and adventures around the world, subscribe and hit that like button for Places to Go. Until next time, I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.